Okay, yeah. Nikutshama na mina nta tshama na wena ni karhi ni reacta straight kwala xigazeni. Loko ni vula kwala xigazeni liya ni tlhe ni yi kokanyana is like ni ku zaменga ku hleketa ku ri how am I going to introduce this song or this artist. It's a crazy story because namuntlha hina track by the one and only Sean Makamu. What I'm referring to ni vulavula hi Sean Makamu. Yeah, en'wana Dr. G1 Sole Makamu, and then o drop a track and like I track it's an album, and then ni nga yi vona ka channel ya G1 va khe va yi advertiser, and then I think like from that since yi dropiwa yi le ku tirheni kahle ngopfu cause like ti streams ta yona na tinambara ta yona ti le henhla, so yi le ku tirheni kahle ngopfu. And then why ni lexi nga ni endla ku ni va concern i ku ri like Dr. G1 yi vule timhaka to music like that's why yi kote ku tshika Sean a ri ntsongo a humesa ngoma a yi title ku ri Tlakula Huza is because like swilo leswiwa va fanekele va khe va kula va swi tiva, and then the more i swi tiva swilo i the more u va aware hi swona, which i ntiyiso. But lexi mina ni ti vutisaka swona i ku sometimes like just because umfundhisi it does not mean ku ri like n'wana wa wena u ta va umfundhisi. Hi marito malama a ni zami ku jaja or a ni zami ku veka mativonelo ma mina, mara ni lava ku reacta ka ngoma ya Sean ni twa ku ri Sean hi swa music swi famba njhani, just because like I think he's talented, he's a very talented boy. I saw him performing ka birthday ya G1, and then the track anga yi performer I loved it, and lo rivala ku ri i mani vito ra ngoma, mara sweswiwani la ta straight in ni ya reacta ka official song, not performance, official song, and then hi twa ku ri swi famba njhani loko swi fika ka mic na tinkatara. Otherwise ladies and gentlemen, Sean Makamu aku Tlakula Huza. U nga rivali ku subscribe, u like channel leyiwa, u share video leyiwa, nambo endla clip u share, nambo comment anything leswi u nga ta twa nga ri u contribute ka channel. Let's just do it. Okay, I read ka Sean Makamu. Let's go. Before we go further, I'm like, okay, the instrumental leti tlangiwaka laha ma swi tiva ku ti swekiwe kwini ne, ti swekiwe straight eNtokoto Studios anakuhem. It's the same beat, exactly the same beat, the same line. It is easy if like I was able to track lewa ya man, and then utwala masunguleni, I swear you will think like ya G1 serious. But okay, I say sungula ku yimbelela, let's hear it. Come on, let's go. Okay. G1 ilo tsala tingoma letiwani mizalo isimowe. Hey, Damn, ne? Okay, let's say okay. What do they call it? Ni subscribed. I'm not subscribed. I'm subscribed. No, I'm surprised. Damn. At this age, ne, Diman ule humeseni kati lines ta so, ka music wa quality so. Okay, if only get 5 years imiza lewa utaba dangerous mos. I think like ufanekele ngitekela hlokweni yung supporta and then like okay, all right, kuna talent lawa, kuna talent so serious. I think maka to landelela kuna talent lawa. Imali Joasin. I thought like it track liwa it come munu wa and then it seems like it's gonna feature. I'm sure go Ima Jojo. I'm not sure go Iman, but I'm sure go Ima Jojo. I'm not sure, but I'm sure. Okay, comment at the comment section on Zela go man mara vibe liwa ini get a vibe straight ya ma Jojo. Okay, let's hear go reinvert. Wow, that was bold. That was very bold, beautiful, and 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 quite good. It was very good, guys. The reason you could like loko ni reacta ka track leyo intention ta mina nga criticize or like kutsongo fu ku track e balabla yini cause title song I suburin already. Mar alla be kutsa ku like okay, Sean like talent yi kona na, but after ku yingisela ngoma leyo after ku yingisela, I'm thinking like the little boy is talented. And then since like ka age late songo like mabokweni ya jiwani ko like ba mold that talent leyiwani, and then ba bona ku kusukusela lawani ku ya mahlweni swi fambisa kwini, and then ba protecta ka ti negative talks, like the negative talks ti ta tshama ti ri kona, but it just matter ya ku ri i swi tekela ku fika kwihi wena. I just hope ku ri like va n'wi dyondzisa the way vo va swi tekisaka swona swilo, like loko u bifa G1 swi to bamba swi biya ka wena swi swa kona swi ku endla xihlekiso. I just hope ku like va molda D-boy, and then yi va sharp, yi tshama yi ri healthy minded, and then yi va matured, cause talent yi kona. And then this is amazing at this age. This is very amazing. I think it's the first Tsonga artist anga sungula a ha ri ntsongo so ka generation ya mina, ka generation ya mina is the first Tsonga artist at this age wa ku swi endla. Wow, it's beautiful, guys. I'm sorry ku fanela society, but from me to you and only you, just make sure that you subscribe to the channel, you like the video. I'm very happy with the song that I just reacted to, and then unga rivali ku mahlweni u bona video yin'wanyana. Inkomu.